Hello. Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a bit of a mummy and baby day at home. Today is actually my 38th birthday and Ash is actually just about to go to work in about half an hour, so we're just going to make a quick salad for lunch. So it's nearly lunchtime. Oh, well, it is lunchtime and he's going to go to work in half an hour, so we're just going to grab some quick lunch. We've just given Lola a bath together because sometimes it's hard to do it on your own, so we try to do that together when we're home and it's fun as well. And I've been to the gym this morning already, had a quick workout, and now I'm just in like my mummy sloppy kind of joggers and oversized t-shirt and hair just, you know, put back in a pony with my bandana on. And Lola is ready to go as well, aren't you, baby? And she won't sit for very long, so we better get moving. We're just gonna have a bit of a chill day at home, a girl's day at home, aren't we, baby? Okay, so let's go. So Ash and I are just in the kitchen prepping some salad. And Lola is in her buggy. Lola! Oh. So I'm gonna have a bit of a chicken salad and Ash is gonna have a beanie burger with his salad. And I feel really low down right now, but you can see Ash cutting some cucumber in the frame as well. So I'll show you what I'm eating. Ash is going to work, like I said, it's a microwave, in 30 minutes. So we just have to get some quick lunch together, and then he'll be off, and then I'm going to start preparing the Aubergine Parmigiana. I'm trying to show you guys what I like to snack on. One thing I like to snack on is olives. I find that like it's quite healthy and I just really enjoy savoury food. So this one is mixed Spanish olives with manchego, so you get a little bit of cheese as a bonus as well. So just a snacking option if you guys are more into savoury than sweet like I am. I really like all sorts of olives, to be honest. So guys, this is my salad with some chicken, lettuce, cucumber, salad cream, peppers, tomatoes, and lots of lime because I absolutely love lime. Ash doesn't want these spring onions, so I'm going to put them onto mine as well because I love spring onions. And Ash is having quite a similar lunch as well. He's just having pretty much the same thing, salad with some leftover green beans from last night and some gherkins. Mommy life, trying to hold a salad and a baby. Are you playing? She's playing now, she's had her milk. Come on, are you gonna roll over? She doesn't know how to roll over yet. She's only 5 months, she's learning. Come on, you can do it. No? You don't want to? You don't want to? It's okay. These are all the lovely birthday cards that I got today, and this one is especially special because it's my first mummy card. You're the best mummy in the whole wide world. And then Lola wrote inside, I love you, mummy, and she did lots of squiggles for me, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. Lola and I are just playing at the moment, so until she falls asleep, and then I'm going to start prepping the food. Are you wondering who I'm talking to? She's wondering who I'm talking to, aren't you? I'm talking to the camera. Oh, she's so excited. Guys, this is the reality of being a mom. You literally, they do not want to sit still, they want to play, they're fussy. You have to just keep moving all the time. It kind of keeps you fit without even going to the gym. So I'm going to start the prep for the dish that I'm making, the eggplant or aubergine kind of lasagna. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into rounds and salt them because I want to leave them for a few hours to pull out all the moisture. So when it comes to frying them in olive oil, they don't act as sponges and really absorb too much olive oil, because that's what can happen with aubergines. You end up putting so much oil into the frying pan to fry them because they're just like sponges. So if you can salt them a few hours earlier and then, you know, sort of wring them out with kitchen towel, it takes out a lot of the moisture out of them. And then you're going to need eggs, some tomatoes, mascarpone, garlic, herbs, some more garlic granules, black pepper, salt, mozzarella, and some herbs and basil. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make the mascarpone sauce. So I need another mixing bowl for that. I'm going to tip 2 loads of mascarpone, 500 grams. Then in there I'm going to crack a couple of eggs. I tend to get organic eggs if I can. Oh, it's going everywhere. Into that mixture I'm going to put in some oregano. So any kind of mixed herbs we find, but I like oregano. A little bit of that. Then I'm going to put in the packet of mozzarella. And then kind of whisk that together so you get like sort of one, you know, consistency that's all kind of all mashed together. Pick off some leaves. I do really like basil actually, it's a nice smell, but my favourite herb has got to be coriander. And then just roughly chop them up. So now you've got something like this, and then I'm just going to fold the basil into the mixture. And then I'm going to set that aside and put it in the fridge for later. Right guys, the next thing you need is a saucepan. And in there, I'm just going to put in a big swig of olive oil. As soon as the olive oil has heated up, I'm going to put in a can of tomatoes and one of these passata mix. I mean, I'd use 2 cans of tomatoes. It's not, you don't need to have this stuff, but I just had a spare one, so I thought I'd just use it up. So into the tomatoes, I'm going to put a bit of the garlic granules in there because I do love garlic. So a little bit of garlic. And I like a little bit of kick to my food, so I'm going to add a few chili flakes. Obviously, if you're not into spicy food or whatever, leave them out. Then I'm going to add a load of salt. So there's quite a lot of sauce. And then I'm going to mill in a bit of black pepper. So we've put all those ingredients in. And the last thing to put in there is our basil. And then just give it a stir and let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave that and go and do some dishes and just start cleaning the kitchen up a little bit. So we're kind of nearly there. We don't have too much more to do. That's pretty much all the prep done. And now we'll wait a few hours and then we'll fry off all the aubergines. So it's been about 15 minutes, guys, and you can see the tomatoes have broken down to a bit more of a smooth consistency. And the ones I haven't, I can just kind of mash up with the spoon. But I'm going to switch that off now. Switch that off and pop the lid on. Guys, I'm just going to make a peppermint tea because while Lola's asleep, I can actually just have 5 minutes to relax, and peppermint tea's always been good for my IBS and just stress in general, so I do enjoy a cup of peppermint. So guys, I need to check on Lola while she's upstairs sleeping. I try to check her every sort of, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour, just to make sure she's okay. So I'm going to pop my tea down, go and check on her, and then I'm going to sort out some jewellery into a nice new jewellery holder that I have, and I'm excited to show you, so give me a sec. So Lola is clearly not sleeping. She's playing in her cot. Now, the dilemmas of a mum. Do I leave her and let her carry on playing, or do I bring her downstairs where she could have a tantrum and I'll get nothing else done? Are you going to play? Yeah, you're going to play for a little bit? Maybe you go sleep, baby? Good girl. I love you, baby. Hey guys, I'm just sitting down now while Lola is fast asleep or playing upstairs or whatever she's doing. I wanted to show you guys something that I got sent from a really lovely brand called Aurelia. I actually bought a few things during the Christmas time. This is the brand. I actually bought a few lovely bits and bobs off their website, including some of these cuffs and huggy earrings and ring and things that I'm wearing, and featured them in one of my recent haul videos. It's my Shopaholic haul video. And they kindly sent over some stuff for me, which was so lovely. They asked me to choose what I would like, and I chose a few bits off their website. And they also sent over something I absolutely am so excited to use. It's a jewelry travel wallet. I've never had one of these before, and I love organizing things. Like, I love sorting things and organizing them and making them all neat. So I'm just going to sit down now, open up what they sent over and put it into the little travel holder. Some of their jewelry is absolutely like gorgeous. It's like exactly the kind of stuff that I would would wear and stack up on my ears or necklaces or whatever. So I'm going to show you a few of the bits while I sit down and just relax and unwind and you know, put everything into the new jewelry holder that they've sent over. That's what it looks like. This is so perfect for me because I travel all the time and I love taking jewelry with me because I do like to change my jewelry depending on the outfit I'm wearing. So I suppose this is for your rings and this can be for your chains, bracelets. So let's see how it all looks when I put it in there. Wow, these are so beautiful. Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. I definitely think the ear cuffs are going to be a big trend over the coming seasons. You guys have got to see this one. Guys, look how beautiful that looks. You can play around with it. I guess you could put your cuffs in here or your earrings here, your rings here. I've put one of them, my rings here, and then the cuffs all in here, and your necklaces, whatever the jewelry. I think this would fit a reasonable amount of jewelry without it all getting tangled up. So I really enjoyed doing that. This case is so compact and small as well, so you can just fit that straight into your bag or even your handbag actually. Right guys, now I've finished with my organising. I'm going to finish my cuppa. I'm sure Lola will wake up soon, and in the meantime I'm actually going to just chill for 5 minutes and sit down and just rest and decompress, because as soon as she gets up again it'll be all go again, nappy and feed and all the rest of it, and then I'll start putting the aubergine lasagna together. Back to the aubergines. What I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze all the excess water out of them using the kitchen towel as much as I can. I've also gone ahead and done this. I've pushed them down and drained all the water out. There's a little bit more left, you can see at the bottom there, which I'll drain out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fry these for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side, because I want them to be pretty much cooked through and have a little bit of charring, and I'll show you what I mean. So guys, you can see this is the kind of consistency you're looking for, like a little bit of brown and crispness. The first layer I'm going to put on there is the tomato sauce that we prepared. I've overlapped them a little bit, but you don't have to be too precise or anything like that. You just need to create like a layer. And then I'm going to come put some of our mascarpone cheese mix. Now this is quite difficult to spread, so just put little kind of lumps around the place and just spread it as best you can. Bit of oregano on the top. So guys, it should look something like this. And trust me when I say it tastes delicious, it's absolutely delicious. I'm going to put it in the oven now for around 25 minutes. So that's the finished dish, and let me pop it in the oven. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my day at home with baby and cooking, and doing a little bit of cooking for you guys, and just a little insight into my everyday kind of mommy life and how things are with a 5-month-old baby. I'm now managing to get things done, but sometimes Lola will sleep for 5 minutes, she'll sleep for 3 hours. It's just all over the place, so squeezing things in. I'm definitely getting better at understanding her and figuring out how I can make everything balance, cooking and all that, because at the start it was not like that, so I was a bit all over the place, but I found my rhythm a bit. I managed to film, cook and look after the baby today on my birthday, so it's been a really nice day, and I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog. And if you want to see more like this, or do comment below on the type of videos you do want to see, and obviously if you do try the recipes, do comment below and I'll try and put all the recipes in the description bar, so if you know, if it was a bit hard to follow, you'll be able to see it down there if you want to give it a go. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support on Instagram and YouTube as always. Lots of love to you all. Mwah. Bye.